Okay. Sige po. Hindi ako. Thank you. Sorry, nag-overtime kayo. May very important announcement lang tayo. I hope you can share this with our sports media friends, no? Alam naman po natin yung nangyari sa Ateneo team sa Aurora Province. So kami po sa Philippine Sports Commission, sa chairman and the 4 other commissioners and executive director Iroy, kami po yung nakikiramay sa pamilya ng mga biktima, sa pamilya ni Rene at sa pamilya ni Divine. It's very unfortunate, very sad. People say it's tragic, but we just have to be strong. But pagkatapos po nung pakikiramay, kaya importante rin po maunawaan ng lahat na kailangan namin gawin yung trabaho namin dito sa Philippine Sports Commission because we are the government agency taking care of Philippine sports and the development of Philippine sports, lalo na yung grassroots and amateur sports. So, kailangan po na bigyan natin ng importansya itong unfortunate incident na to. So today, this morning, we released a statement. I'm sure you already have that statement. Please share it with everyone. But I would like to inform everybody because it is the entire country is crying, no? Not just the family members. I've been receiving text messages from people all over the country, yeah, and they are really very, very sad. No words can explain that feeling for all of us, di ba? Ako personally, simula kan doon papunta rito, kakabasa ko lang ng lahat ng video, TikTok ni Rene. Dami ko rin tisyong sinayang eh. Di ba? Iniisip ko lang sitwasyon ko bilang ama. I'm sure ganun lang kay Attorney Iroy, ganun rin kay Confritz, no? Before I make that announcement, I'll tell you a story why. Nung nandun ako sa palaro, nung dumadaan yung Davao, sinabi sa akin ng congressman ng Agusan na si Congressman Basco, Alfel Basco. Sabi niya, Chairman, tingnan mo yung batang kumakawayo, yung matangkad na kumakaway na bata. Sabi niya, napunta sa Davao yan eh kasi gusto mag-aral. Pero taga rito yan. Umiiyak pa nga nung umalis. Kasi sabi niya, kung hindi lang ho kami mahirap, hindi ho ako aalis ng Agusan. So kumakaway siya. Yung gobernador, kinakawayan siya. Yung mga congressman, kinakawayan siya. So kinakawayan ko rin siya. Kaway rin siya ng kaway. Paano ko na-realize ngayon na siya si Rene? Kasi nung nakita ko sa Spin, nung article ng Spin, nung nakita ko na kinakausap na ni Governor Santicane, yung nanay ni Rene. Eh sabi ko, ito pala yung batang so jolly, so happy, so proud, di ba, full of dreams, na kumakaway, na sinasabi nga ni Congressman Basco, umiyak yan nung umalis sa Agusan, at humihingi pa ng patawad, na kaya siya nawala sa Agusan province because he simply wants to pursue his dreams and to study for his family. Ganun ka sakit. So having said that, true to life experience na ako mismo, kami nila Sani Angara na experience namin, we have decided, no, in consultation with our government agencies, in consultation with stakeholders, in consultation with the DILG and the Office of the Press Secretary, we are now convening by tomorrow at 1:30 the stakeholders meeting, and we have invited the stakeholders meeting and the panel. We call it the stakeholders panel. It will be here in PSC tomorrow at 1:30, and we have invited the following. Number 1, the Executive Director of Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Erica D., whom you know is also a lawyer. Number 2, represented by the Philippine Sports Commission in charge of Basketball Commissioner Fritz Gaston. Number 3, we've sent out a letter to the chairman of CHED, Shirley Agrupis. Number 4, we've sent out invitation and they have confirmed 2 representatives from the UAAP, namely Executive Director Remo Sagisag and Father Aldrin Suwan, who is in charge of student affairs of Adamson University. Number 4, we have invited the chairman of the National Youth Commission, Jeff Ortega, who is also an avid surfer actually. Chairman Jeff is from La Union, so he has confirmed as well. And number 5, we have also invited the Secretary General and Undersecretary of DepEd, Malcolm Garman, okay, of the Department of Education. These are the people who will meet tomorrow at 5 p.m. as we pursue, no, this very difficult, painful process. Para po malaman lang natin kung paano tayo makakapagtulungan para hindi na po maulit ito. Please be assured, PSC is not the investigating task force or panel. We are here to help address this concern. Alam ko po ang pamilya ni Rene, ang pamilya ni Divine, talagang nagdadalamhati. Alam po namin na ang buong Ateneo community nagdadalamhati. Alam po natin yan, si Comfritz taga-Ateneo yan, si Erica taga-Ateneo yan, nagdadalamhati. Pero sana po maintindihan lang nating lahat, kailangan pong gawin namin itong prosesong to para hindi na po maulit. And we hope that you will support us in this very important undertaking as we convene this stakeholders panel tomorrow morning starting at 1:30. After that, we will invite resource speakers so that we can continue this process. What is very important, I must say, is that we need the formal report, no? Report coming from the Philippine National Police. And the Secretary of Local Government, John Vic Primulia, informed me 1 hour ago that it is ready. And they will have their own investigation process. So kami po, stakeholders panel, this is good for Philippine sports and we hope to get the support of everyone. Let me turn over the mic to Attorney Iroy para mapaliwanag niya na iba po ang gagawin ng PSC, iba po yung investigation process ng PNP.
Ang gagawin naman po ng PEC bukas kasama yung stakeholders panel natin is to review the policies together with CHED, NYC, SBP, and UAAP because may process po kasi, and DepEd especially, may process kasi yung mga in and out of school activities. There is a standing memorandum issued by CHED on that. And everyone knows na dapat ma-follow lahat yung mga procedural guidelines pag merong out-of-school activities. And the chairman instructed us to ensure that this will not happen again and ensure that the safety of the athletes, because these are future national athletes, especially si Rene na magaling na atleta. Yun nga ang sabi ng nanay niya, dapat daw sa basketball floor naglalaro ang anak niya, hindi sa dagat. So it happens. So tomorrow, rest assured that the chairman will lead the panel and to get all the possible solutions that this matter will not happen again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kong. Attorney Ira.
Ito well, one, talaga nakikiramay kami, no? Talagang we're out of words for our sympathy, no? Nasabi nga ni Chairman kanina, talagang as a father also, ganyan, we can actually empathize what happened. Imagine losing your future, alam mo, your future grade, no? Both of them, for both families, no? Na 19-year-old and 20-year-old, kasi di ba is 20, siya naman is na 19 pa lang, si Rene. And what Chairman has shared, yun talaga na, yun, masakit namin makita mo, you see the kid, he was waving, and parang saying goodbye pa na I'm going to Manila na rin for my future, great future. But that happens. No? But what I'd like to add na ito sa statement na nagbigay kanina ng PSC, but Chairman released it, no? Additional lang dito, sabi na lahat, Chairman yan. No? The goal here is not only to understand what happened, but to ensure that lessons learned to lead to safer, more responsive systems that protect athletes while sustaining high-performance sport. Excellence in sport requires environments that push human potential but never at the expense of safety. You know, ang ano doon, no, ang key message yun doon ng PSC to our chairman na release na kailangan talaga natin pag-aralan, tignan at kung paano, sabi nga ni attorney kanina, no, titignan natin yung mga policies, saka practices and procedures for yung mga training ng mga different stakeholders, different leagues dito, no, na ang utmost yan is the safety of our athletes. Yun ho yung aming bukas, no, ang main namin, kaya nagpatawag si chairman ng emergency meeting namin nga dito to among all the stakeholders and agencies that should be involved in this endeavor. Chair.
Yun lang po. Salamat sa inyong pag-unawa. At sabi nga natin, this is beyond basketball. This is beyond the UAAP. This is a country that is mourning 110 million Filipinos. Talagang masakit kung masakit. Pero harapin natin ito ng tama. Harapin natin ito ng matibay ang puso at damdamin para masolve natin ito. Because malaking kawalan ito para sa Philippine sports. Once again, nakikiramay po kami sa pamilya ni Rene, sa magulang, sa nanay ni Rene, sa magulang, pamilya ni Divine, at nakikiramay kami sa buong Ateneo community at sa UAAP. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.